National Geographic. Today, my teammates and I are going to show you a water documentary, where we will try to tell you the importance of it, and some extra information. Water is 2/3 of the total weight of our body, and is an essential element for life on Earth. It's considered to be polluted when it cannot be used for what it's supposed to, or when it seems to be changed the chemical, physical, or biological properties. Around 70% of water is used for agriculture and another 20% for industrial use. The rest for domestic use. Besides a lot of properties of water, one of the most important is the capacity of dissolution. The pollutants, like chemical wastes, gasoline, and petroleum, contaminate the water and the ground when it mixes when one of the phases of the water cycle. After all this explanation, we're going to start to see this documentary, where we're going to show you how water has changed through years. Once upon a time, there was a scientist that started to look up for the molecular composition of water. This is a representation of it.
Oh my god, I got it! It has 2 hydrogen atoms, which are positive, and 1 oxygen atom, which is negative. And it has polar bonds, which makes a bent figure. Maybe this could be the universal dissolvent.
It was more difficult to get water because there were no pipes nor hoses. So people walked thousands of kilometers just to get a few buckets of water to do many things, such as to bath, to water the land, or to drink it, because water is an essential element for living.
Oh, we have to go and fill the buckets to water the land.
Oh, but it's so far.
But we have no choice. We have to go that far. Let's go.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Yeah, but that's what we have to do every day in order to get some water.
I know, to feed ourselves and that and take care of our children.
And many other things that we have to do with the water.
I know, we don't have no choice but keep coming.
You see, before it was more difficult to get the water. That's why they take care of it more than we do it today. So let's start to appreciate it more. Nowadays, we have the extraordinary opportunity to get water immediately when we open the water faucet. One of the uses that we give to it is to wash our clothes, but the detergent is one polluting agent of water.
This t-shirt is so dirty.
Oh, well then use more detergent. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Besides the detergent, there are even more polluting agents, such as petroleum, thermic pollution, acid rain, and mercury in water. Nowadays, it's easier to get water to our homes because we have pipes, hoses, and irrigation systems. Through time, technology had advanced to make our daily chores more easy. The 97% of the people in Nuevo León has access to fresh water. Every day in Nuevo León is produced 4.9 million liters of water, and in Mexico are produced more than 7.5 billion of liters. So imagine how much water is produced in the world. Even though people know that it's an essential element, they still waste it. These are some examples of it.
Hello? Who is this?
Hey, are you brushing your teeth?
Uh-huh.
What's wrong with you? What's the matter? Are you talking on the phone or are you washing your teeth?
Both.
You cannot do 2 things at the same time.
I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Hush!
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm just washing the glass here.
But why with the hose?
It's because it's easier.
But you're wasting so much water. You can do it with a mop. And it's gonna be easy, you can put it cleaner.
You're right. I'll go get him up.
This used to be a big river, a place where people could come and admire the greatness of nature. But as you can see now, it has only become a really small river, a river where not fish can live. And this is just because of men's ignorance. Why? Because men are building buildings that are affecting the river's current. There's a building that is affecting directly this current and doesn't let the water from the mountains come down. That's why this river has become so small. People in countries need these rivers and lakes to survive because they don't have what we have, like pipes and hoses, to find water enough to live. This is a really big problem.
As you can see on this picture, this is a river with polluted water. The chemical wastes in this water don't let any fishes live in it. This could be a paradise, but no one can come near it because of the chemicals in the water. On this other picture, we can see a dead alligator. A dead alligator that used to live on waters that we pollute. Animals can't live this way. On this picture, we can see chemicals being thrown in water. This water isn't only bad for your health if you drink it. There's also the smells they let out that are also obnoxious to all lungs. On this picture, we can see a large lake with polluted water, which children take as a playground. This isn't a safe place for children to play. So we don't need these lakes like this. You can see a river full of trash, where many fishes live. Would you like that someone come and drop trash in your house? No, you wouldn't, so please don't.
Water is 70% of our total body weight. The most important functions of water in our body are to regulate our body temperature, help in the transmission of electric pulses, hydrate our tissues, and it's a way of transport for nutrients to all our body. Besides the fact that it helps us get rid of the fat we don't need, as you can see in this representation. You can see now we got rid of the fat.
I'm going to talk about the water cycle. The first thing that happens is the rain, as you can see. Then, with the help of the sun, it evaporates and goes up and condenses and makes the clouds. And again, it rains.
Nowadays, we use water for many things, but this is the fun way of water. And if we don't start to take care of water, this will all be gone in a few years. So imagine, what would you do without water?
After all we've told you about the history, importance, risks and consequences of polluting water, and how to make this world better just by taking care of it, would you still pollute it? I hope not. So please, the next time you're about to drop trash or toxic wastes on water, think it twice. Thank you.